Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I really hope you guys are fine and doing good. So right now I'm trying to complete this thermal chapter. I'm watching Alak sir's lecture from Ummeed batch. So it's been long since this chapter got completed in our classes and I couldn't remember half of the things. So I decided to watch this lecture. And I can't focus on the lecture if I'm not writing, so I am writing alongside. So it has two parts. I did end up completing first part of this chapter, and the second part I was completing the other day in the morning. I did completed most of this chapter, just I guess 1 hour lecture was left. I decided to go outside and I was revising this chemical coordination chapter in biology. So here also I am referring to these notes from last year of Yaqeen batch. These notes are pretty good, like these have everything in flowchart kind of form, so it's easier to remember things. And obviously I read NCERT after that. After that I attended my online classes. So on this particular day our offline classes were off due to some reasons. So I attended the online classes and now I am revising work, power and energy from my short notes. And now I'm gonna solve its module. तो पूरी module solve नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm just doing the questions which I did wrong in the first attempt or second. Basically the marked questions only I was solving. Cause tomorrow I'm gonna be having a doubt class of work, power, energy. So that was the reason I was solving this chapter. And in the evening I went to library, and in the library I am revising thermal chapter. And now I'm back home and I'm gonna be making short notes of thermal chapter. And time right now is 11 PM. And obviously I played the study playlist. So finally I got done with these short notes and this is how it turned out. And time right now is 2 o'clock. So it took me 3 hours to complete these whole short notes, and obviously I took some break in between. So it's update time. It's 2 AM right now and I got done with these tasks and still few are left. I am thinking to do some questions of thermal as I've completed it just now. I really want to solve its question. So I'm gonna solve its question until I fall asleep, maybe an hour. Let's see how much I can pull off. And the rest of them I'll do tomorrow morning. So yeah, let's just solve questions of thermal now. So I did end up completing section A and a little bit of section B of thermal. And it took me an hour to complete it and I slept at around 3 AM. So right now it is 8:50 and I woke up at around 8:30 and then I had my tea. Now I am solving questions from MCAP of work, power, energy. तो इसमें ना 2 MCAP हैं इसकी, MCAP 8 and 9th. तो मैं इन दोनों को solve करती हूँ and then I'll get ready and go for the classes. तो यही हो पाएगा and leave फिर मैं classes के बीच में जो gap होएगा उसके अंदर करने का try करूँगी. and I went to classes at around 10:30 am. My classes starts at 11 am and it ends at 2:45. And the extra doubt classes are from 4:30 pm to 7:45 pm. So I had an hour and a half in between, and I'm solving work par energies leap in the meantime. As you know how important it is to solve mock tests before NEET. So OSAR publication came up with this amazing book. It has 10 mock tests based on new syllabus of NEET along with detailed explanation of answers. It also comes with OMR to give you proper examination feel. It also contains trend analysis of past year NEET. It has mind maps and mnemonics to help you revise a chapter easily in no time. You can purchase this book on OSWAL's official website or on Amazon. I will be providing the link in the description, so make sure you check it out. Hi. So right now it is almost 6:30 in the morning. I did end up sleeping in last night. I came back home at around 8 and then I had my dinner and then I was just doing some things here and there. I was feeling very cold, so I decided that I'll be in my bed, but I will study. So I was in my bed and I just played a lecture on my mobile. It was of photosynthesis, I guess. I was like, I'll understand it and I'll get up after half an hour and then I'll do physics or chemistry or whatever. But guess what? Who didn't wake up after that? I just literally fall asleep to that lecture. And it was just 9:30 or something when I fall asleep. I woke up now, which is 6 o'clock, and now I'm having my tea. And I have so much work to complete now. Okay, but we gotta complete it. So, first of all, the work par energy ki leap I have to complete. I'm around 50 question. And I have to complete till 80, so I think I can do it in some time. After that, I have to do chemical bonding. तो chemical bonding का भी है आज आउट क्लास, तो उसके लिए मुझे उसको रिवाइज करना है. वही यार सेम रिवाइज करना है. उसके मॉड्यूल का सेक्शन C और D करना है एंड MCAP करनी है. So it's not much, so let's just do it. So I started with solving questions of work par energy of last sleep. And now I am revising chemical bonding from my main notes. It is a huge chapter, so it ended up taking a lot of my time and I was unable to complete its MCAP and module. So, yeah. And then I went for classes at around same time, 10:30. After my morning classes, in between that 1.5 hour time interval, I am doing MCAPs of chemical bonding and its module. So that is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you with the new video very soon. Until then, goodbye.